Okay, y'all, I've been doing these lashes for like the last month. I had another set that I bought from Amazon, but I like these a lot better. I just took my last set off, which lasted me like 6 days because I put them on Wednesday and then I literally took them off last night, and then I just took off the rest of the glue. So I got these on Amazon. They are, I don't know, I'll link them down below, but these are really nice and fluffy, which is how I usually like my lashes. So I'm gonna be putting them on with you guys, so y'all can, let's see how fast I can put them on basically. Because I used to get lash extensions, but I just can't, like, it takes usually 2 hours for me to get my lashes done, and y'all, my back be hurting, so I had to find an alternative because the girl that I was going to for my lashes, literally her shop is like almost an hour, like 45 minutes away from me, and I had to do something else. So these definitely have been working really good for me. Like I said, they last up to like a week for me, but this is the glue that these came with. But I have been using, this last time I used the glue that came with my last set, which I definitely feel like works better than the one that came with this set. So if you do get this set, I definitely recommend that you get a different glue. But first thing you gotta do is curl your lashes. Hopefully y'all can see me. I think y'all can. So I'm just gonna go in and curl my lashes. And I gotta do this. Well, this don't take long at all. I honestly prefer doing these over doing strip lashes. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the last set, if I can find, okay, here they go. Okay, so these are the last ones that I bought from Amazon, and they definitely are not as fluffy as the new ones that I got, and you can see like a huge difference how these are like so much fuller, but they definitely were like good practice. But where was it? Oh, I thought it was on the back. I can't remember where it was, but there was something that I think maybe it was on the Amazon post where it show you like different sizes that you can use. I like to do like a cat eye look, so it'll be like smaller at the front of the eye and then longer at the back. So I'm gonna go in with the bond, which is the glue first, and I'm just gonna brush that in and get it as close as I can to the bottom of my lashes. And I don't brush it all the way through, just making sure that I get it on like the bottom, like that. And I do one eye at a time. And then after that, I'm gonna start off with number 10, and I'm just gonna grab it from the bottom. And then I like to go in and just add a little bit more glue to the actual lash. And then after that, I'm just gonna hold my eyelid up, and these lashes go on the bottom of your lash line. Oh my God. Okay. Take two. And then I'm gonna go in and kind of like squeeze them. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go in with another number 10. Same thing, go in and add a little bit of glue. And I'm placing it right next to the first one that I just placed. Now going in with a number 12. I'm going up to a 14, so it's been 10, 10, 12, 14. Then I'm gonna do a 16. Just like that, and then I'm gonna go in with the seal side, and like I said, this is the glue that came with this set of lashes, but this one only has the glue and remover, and then my old one has the seal, and I just feel like it helps them stay on there longer. So I'm just gonna go in and do it. So just like that. So you see, it don't take long at all. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and this time I'm not gonna talk so it can be real time. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. I feel like they turned out really cute. Like I said, it's really fast and super affordable. I've already used these, I believe 3 times, maybe 2, but I really think that this is my 3rd set using these lashes. Yeah, it's my 3rd one. And I still have a lot more left. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be sure to link the lashes down below. And this is not sponsored or anything. I literally bought those in the other set just to experiment, and I really like these, so I wanted to share it with you girls. It's lashes on a budget.